Ah, there he is, James Braithwaite here again. Hopefully my camera won't cark out on me this time. Anyway. So I'm surrounded by people arsing about. Force of habit really with the environment I have to work in. Anyway. As you can see, or will see anyway, I'm just completing the finishing touches to a job that I've just been doing. I've been replacing, with a bit of help, to rear lenses on a French minibus. The reason I'm screwing the interior back is I had to strip the whole thing out. You know, take the lens off, obviously, then go in by going in through the back and unscrewing the bolt that held the threaded rod that links the lens to the bodywork. Then taking the lens out, unplugging the electronics, and after that, unscrewing the electronics from the back of the lens, putting the putting the electronics into the new lens, then plugging the new assembled system back into the rear of the minibus, and screwing it all down here. And here you just see me refitting the cover panel that goes over it, you know, to make it, in spite of any rumours to the contrary, accessible. These are nowhere near as easy to do as transits. I think it's because they're French and they like to be fiddly. Jeepers creepers. And this is the same as a Nissan, actually, to be honest, because it's built by the Nissan Renault group. I think this one's technically a Renault Master. It's a 2011 model. Anyway, let me just show you that. Okay, that's the panel. And these are the new lenses that a colleague and I have just installed. All that fuss, eh? Anyway, see you in the next one. Hello, for now.